Unlocking language. The meaning of off-limits. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, off-limits. It's a phrase you might encounter in everyday conversations, movies, or even reading materials. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for fluency, and today, we'll master it together. Off-limits refers to something that is not allowed to be used, touched, or entered. It's like a red sign that says, "Do not enter," in language form. This phrase can apply to physical places, certain topics of conversation, or even actions. When someone says something is off-limits, they're putting up a boundary that should not be crossed. The phrase, off-limits, originated from military terminology, where certain areas were restricted to unauthorized personnel. Now, it's used more broadly. For example, parents might tell their children that the cookie jar is off-limits before dinner, or a sign in a park might declare a fragile ecosystem as off-limits to protect it. Let's see how off-limits works in sentences. The construction site is off-limits to the public for safety reasons. Please avoid discussing politics at dinner. That topic is off-limits here. The secret files are off-limits to anyone without a top-level security clearance. And that's a wrap on off-limits. Next time you come across this phrase, you'll know exactly what it signifies. Remember, boundaries are important, and so is respecting when something is off-limits. Hope you found this video helpful. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.